Let me ask you a question. How many times have you lost money on solo ads? Once? Twice? 10 times? While you're losing money with solo ads, smart affiliates are making $100 to $300 daily. Same market, same offers, but different traffic sources. Now, they know 3 different traffic sources that you don't. One is cheap, one is exclusive, and one is giving bonus that nobody talks about. So are you ready to stop losing money? Now, here's why your solo ads fail. You picked the wrong source, like most people do. Good solo ads has about 30 to 40% opt-in rate, and they cost you around 80 cents and all the way up to $1.50 and even sometimes $2 per click. And sometimes you get a return of 300% or more in the long run from the back end. But pick the wrong source, you will burn money like a gas on the fire. Pick the right one, you will finally see why some affiliates never fail with traffic. So let's start with a cheap one that actually works. Traffic source number 3, Udimi. You've probably heard this a lot of times. It's the McDonald's of solo ads. Everywhere, familiar, and let me show you how to sign up for this. Now, if you're not signed up for Udimi, you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page and you can sign up with the name, email, and password. So once you sign up, you will reach this page, the homepage of Udimi platform, and here you can go and click on this buy solos. You can see the visitors, so you can see the max price, $2 per click. And niche, marketing niche, or finance, health, whatever is it, you can select it over here, and the ratings of the sellers, repeat orders that they got, and traffic from whatever countries, which is top tier or US or whatever it might be, and got sales, last seen, sort by. So here you can see after selecting these filters, you got 447 sellers, and when you scroll down, you can see here cashier Marshall, which is blue tick, which means that she has been verified through government IDs or passport verification by third parties. And here you can see this promoted, which means that she has paid some amount of money to stay on top of this Udimi platform. And next you can see this rating, 4.4 rating given by the solo ad buyers. Here you can see 94% of this buyers have got sales from this particular solo ad vendor, and you can see the cost per click. It's 88 cents per click. And when you click on this vendor, for example, you can see the buy solo ad, and it is 88 cents per click, and this is the minimum. Seller's minimum is 300 clicks, and you can just order all the way up to 3000 clicks. For this example, I'm just going to make it as 300 clicks. And prime filter, only top tier, only mobile. Now, only thing you need to choose is only top tier, which means US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. And once you select it, it is going to cost you 10 cents extra per click. So I'm just going to click on only top tier. So always buy solo ad only for top tier countries or US only traffic. And next is only link or ad text. Now here you need to paste your affiliate link over here, which you can get it from Warrior Plus or Genius or whatever platform it is. And if you're using a third-party tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo, then you can always create a tracking link from the third-party tool. And ad text, now I would not recommend you to use the ad text. Ad text is nothing but the email copy, email subject line that needs to be used. So next is allow the sellers to start traffic delivery earlier than scheduled. Here you can see this total cost, which is $297, includes $3 service fee. And once you select this, you can just go and click on the continue button and make the payment. Now, there is a secret way to get your solo ad deals on Udimi platform from the same vendor. Now, if you want to learn more about that, you can always check out the video on top right of your screen, where I've explained in detail about Udimi solo ads and the secret method to get solo ad deals from these same solo ad vendors. Now, Udimi is number 3 because it's beginner and user friendly. Most of the beginner affiliates start out their affiliate campaigns by ordering clicks on this platform. But one important thing is that you should know which vendor to choose on this Udimi platform. And you can always refer the video which I've earlier discussed about. Traffic source number 2 is Traffic Zest. Now, this is where the things get spicy. This platform is in beta mode and you can join only through private links. and which I have got for you in the description. You can always check out the link in the description box to join Traffic Zest. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page. You can go and click on this Get Started button, and you can sign up using your email address and name. So once you've signed up, you will reach this page, and this is the page where you're going to create the campaigns. Now Traffic Zest works by creating new campaigns. Now I'm just going to click on Add New Campaign. On basic campaign settings, you can just name it as some YouTube campaign, and you can have the destination URL. Now here you have to insert your affiliate link, and next when you scroll down, you can see the scheduling, whether you want to start the campaign now, and you can set the scheduled start date. Like example, I'm just going to schedule start date as 18th, 19th August, and you can put an end date through scheduled end date, or if you don't want an end date, you can just select as no end date. And when you scroll down further, you can see the targeting option. Now here's where the platform is super exclusive and it's transparent in showing the details. Now under this, you can see this allow traffic. Now you can select the vertical. Vertical is nothing but the niche. Here we are going to see the make money online, weight loss, or health niche. So ours is basically going to be make money online and traffic providers. Now we are going to select the traffic providers. You can see some of the traffic providers over here, and you can see some of the same traffic providers there in Udimi also. And you can just select the ones you want, and you can select the traffic providers. For example, I'm just going to select as Vitavi, and you can keep the countries. Now whether you want to only the English tier 1 countries, or if you want only traffic from the US, you can just select the one here. I'm just going to select as tier 1 countries and device types. So normally we don't want to target any particular device. We'll keep it as blank. OS, we are going to keep it as blank. Traffic tags. Now here, what you want, whether you want the email clicks, engaged clicks, access clicks, Facebook ads, funnel clicks, media buys, mixed clicks, notification clicks, or nurtured email clicks. I'll just keep it as email clicks for now. And here you can see, as we type in the details, you can see the targeting options available. Based on your current targeting, there are 120 clicks available per day at a cost of 56 cents to 67 cents US dollars per click. And here you can also select the CPC bid, your maximum cost per click. Keep empty for all traffic at any price. And I would recommend not to enter this. And then total budget. Now here you can enter as total budget as $500 or $1,000 based on what you want. And daily budget. Now if you want only a specific amount of budget to be done, you can just enter it as $100 per day. And what type of budget distribution, whether you want the daily budget smoothly distributed over 24 hours, or you want the accelerated, like whether you want to spend it within hours. So I would suggest you to make it smooth. And then you can also click on this blocked traffic if you want anyone to be blacklisted from this, or if you want to blacklist countries, device types, anything that you can do, you can select in the block traffic. And after that, you can click on this campaign status and click on active and save campaign. So once it has been saved, it will appear over here, and you can see that the balance is $0. So you have to add funds. So once you add the funds, the campaign will start running. So here it is showing as not enough funds. So once you've added the funds, the campaign will start running. Traffic Zest is number 2 on this list because of its exclusivity and better targeting. But since it's newer, the vendor pool isn't massive yet. But think of this as an underground club where you can get top quality clicks. And for the number 1 traffic source that literally no affiliates talk about, because most people don't find this online. And this is the solo ad clicks from my own mentor, Ben from Singapore, which is called VIP Solo Ads. So in order to get this VIP Solo Ads, you can check out the link in the description box below. You will reach this page and you can see this get traffic that converts, your complete solo ad solution. Now, why this solo ad clicks is different from other solo ad vendors? There are 2 main reasons for this. Number 1, whenever you order any clicks, whether it might be 100 clicks or 500 clicks or 1000 clicks, he is going to review your entire email marketing setup, like landing page, email sequences, your offer. Everything is going to be audited along with you through a 15-minute Zoom call, which is free. And so once you scroll down, you can see that we specialize in following niches, make money online and health niches. Here you can see 95% tier 1 countries premium traffic, And when you scroll down further, you can see 100% USA buyer only premium traffic. So if you order 100% USA buyer only traffic, 100 clicks cost you around 95 cents per click. And when you order a huge amount like expert level, 1000 clicks, it's going to cost you $900. When you order any clicks more than the season level, then you are going to get a free email marketing crash course worth $97. So what you get in that exactly, you can see you be the 10% of solo ad buyers that will profit from email marketing. How to build a high converting squeeze page, how to improve your email open rates and click-through rates, how to authenticate your domain, how to register your domain, how to track the performance of your solo ads, how to build your own buyers email list even as an affiliate, and you will get personal recommendation on the CPA affiliate network to join. So this is going to be a crash course that you're going to get when you buy season level and above clicks. Suppose if you're going to order USA buyer only traffic, then you can just go and click on this order now button. So here you need to enter your first name, last name, email, and here you have to enter the tracking link that you're going to take it from the third-party tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo. Enter your billing information and continue the payment. Now, why I rate this as the #1 traffic source? Because it's not just about buying clicks, it's about optimization. It's about having consultation. It's about having training, and it's about having premium traffic rolled all in one place. This is like having a business coach disguised as a traffic provider. All right, here's the action plan for you. If you're a complete beginner, then you can learn the ropes by enrolling into Udimi and start ordering traffic. And if you just want to go to the next level, then you can always enter Traffic Zest. Now, here is where you get the exclusivity and better targeting, and it's a top quality platform. And if you want a really VIP solo ads, buyer clicks, then you can always check out the Ben's VIP solo ads. But here's what separates the winners from losers. Most people watch this video, they do nothing, but winners do take action. Don't be the most people. Yeah, please feel free to drop a comment on which sources of traffic are you going to try now, and I will be happy to help you in any niche specific traffic. And if you really like this content, smash the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So with that, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.